Hi Tango Dancer! Would you like to know how to do the Giro with the Lapis?
Tango followers, would you like to know what the Giro technique is and how to do it comfortably? After you have watched this video, you will know all of the technique for the leaders and for the followers on how to do the Giro with the Lapis, so you will be able to start dancing it in milongas.
Hi, this is Pablo and Anne from Tango Space, where we help men and women in London to move better, to express themselves, to dance elegantly, and to meet friendly people with our tango lessons.
Between the two of us, we have over 25 years of experience teaching tango. We have hundreds of students here in London, and that what we know is that the Giro is always a sticking point. A movement that you want to do but are not always comfortable dancing and using in milongas. So we are going to sort this out today by explaining you all of the technique for leaders and followers. You will see in the Giro the secret of it, really, for the men and for the women, is your balance. If this is something that you would like to go deeper on, work with us, we have created a free guide for you. It's a free guide all about finding your balance in the Tango Turns. It has detailed exercises that you can do at home to feel more comfortable in the Giro and also in the whole dancing, feeling much more stable. I will put the link in the comments below. Make sure you download it and then meet us in that video. Now let's look at what the Giro with Lapis is, and then we're going to look at the steps for the leaders and then for the followers.
Now let's break down the steps for the leaders. So we begin with the side step, apertura, and I'm going to do one step outside of her with the intention of a circular movement. So it's not that I'm going linear with my center, I'm not going there, if not that already the intention is circular. So I'm inviting her start going around my axis. So this my weight will be in my right leg. I need to find stability in this leg because it's the axis that I'm going to stay during the Giro when she's walking around my axis. So here we go. I find stability and then I start leading the Giro. So the Giro is the pattern that the woman will know by heart. So she will know the pattern. You will know how to lead all the steps. You have to lead the beginning. So as soon as you start with the Giro, she knows. So now she goes side, forward, side. I collect, and now when she go back, I keep opening with my shoulder blade. And when she go back, I pivot and I go into the Lapis. And then we resolve with the parada. So it's important to understand that we do the Lapis only when she's in the back ocho. We are not going to do the Lapis when she goes forward or when she goes to the side. So as a leaders, even though we are not leading each step, we need to know where is she, in which part of the pattern she is. So side, forward, and now she goes side, forward, side, back, and now we go together. So this is the most common way to resolve the Lapis with the parada, and yes, we are going to do this in the open embrace.
So now let's look at the steps for the followers. Followers, as Pablo was saying before, you want to know your steps by heart. Guys, leaders, I recommend you practice this with me and all of the other followers because you need to know the steps as well. So your steps are the typical Giro step. We take a side step, which is just the beginning of the movement, and then we go back, side, forward, side, back, and then we start again. Side, forward, back, side. This back, side, forward, back, side is something that you want to know by heart. If you want, you can send me an email and just write down back, side, forward, back, side to make sure that you really know. It has to be in your body so that whenever the man leads the Giro, the beginning of it, you can go and straight away do it. I hope that makes sense. Your goal is to go around the leader with those steps. So followers, here your role in this movement is really key. You are almost the leader in this movement. You are at least the engine of this movement. He's only on one leg, he's decorating, you are the one going around him. You want to make sure that you are able to lead this movement, keeping your axis and keeping fluidity.
So yes, I'm leading, as a leader, I'm leading this Giro from my shoulder blade with a very, very small and tiny movement that she follows. So there is effortless. We are not using the arms. She's not putting weight on me. I need to be very light to be able to do the decoration in my axis. Yes, if my partner is using me as a support for her balance, it will not work. So in a way, we are quite independent, and we are not doing any effort into this Giro. So we are going to show you now that we do only with the contact of this arm. You can practice at home as well. So side, forward, and now we begin with the Giro. And you can see that she's basically she's giving me the power, the energy for me to pivot. Yes, I cannot pivot by myself otherwise. So here is helping me to pivot when she's walking around my axis.
So you really want to be stable, ladies, and have fluidity in your movements.
Now we are going to show you this in the close embrace, and you will see how important is the flexibility in the embrace. Yeah? Because when we do this kind of Giros with decorations like the Lapis, we really want to open the embrace, to be in our axis, to open our back, and not to stay with the intention forward.
Lead followers, really go back to your axis here, really straight. We are very curious about whether or not you love this movement as much as we do. So please let us know in the comments below. Is this something you would like to add to your dancing, or is it something you would just never do? We hope you do. We hope you like it and add it to your dancing. Please let us know in the comments below. Now we show you with tango music. The name of the game of the Giro, whether it is for the leader or for the follower, is really your axis, your balance. This is really the thing that you want to work on here. So to help you go deeper, to help you practice this at home individually, easily, we have created a new free guide all about finding your balance in the Giro. So we give you a series of exercises that you can do at home to work on your balance, whether you're a leader or a follower. This will give you more ease when you are doing the turns, but also throughout your dancing. I will put the link in the comments below. Make sure you go ahead, download it, and tell us how you like it.
Yes, and I would like to say for the leaders that, yes, the Lapis, I'm not saying that it's easy, but when you have the right technique and the right partner that has power in the Giro, that she's in her, keeping her own balance during the Giro, it's very, very simple. Yes? It's just to understand how it works and to understand the technique, and then you will enjoy a lot adding this into your dance.
We really hope that you are going to start adding the Giro into your dance. If you like this movement, this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you like the video. Share this video with your favorite partner, the person you would like to dance or practice the Giro with. If you are on YouTube, we are waiting for you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support, and especially,
please keep learning and keep sharing your dancing, because the world of tango needs your embrace.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Bye.